So let's take a look at how a user would find out what's going on with a particular artwork request in Manage Artworks and how they would go ahead and review the artwork itself. So to look at information related to a particular artwork workflow, find the workflow in the list and click on it, and the system shows all the details that were entered when the artwork request was initiated. It also shows the files and the versions of the files that were uploaded during the artwork process. It shows the users who have been allocated to each of the different tasks and the activity log of who did what and when. So it shows when was the file uploaded, who uploaded it, whether the approvers approved it or rejected the artwork. All activities and actions are captured in the activity log. So the request, essentially all information related to the request is captured in one single place. So let's take a look at how a reviewer would review an artwork. So to review an artwork, just click on the thumbnail of the artwork and the viewer opens up. The viewer has many toolbars, one on the top and one on the left. The toolbar with the zoom and the zoom in and zoom out and pan can be used to look at the text and the graphics in the artwork. And if you would like to add comments, you can use the annotation toolbar. All annotation elements similar to an Adobe PDF application is available. So you can put annotations in here, and all annotations are recorded automatically of who made the annotation and when, and the actual comment itself. The system allows users to view not only your own annotations, but annotations made by other users. Of course, you cannot edit or change other users' annotations, but you can reply to their comments. Besides the annotations, there is a toolbar on the left where you can inspect the colors. The system automatically gets the spot colors and the process colors from the PDF file, and you can see these as individual color separations or a combination of a spot and a process color. The system also fetches the font information for all the text in the artwork. It groups them by font size, and as a user you can drill down onto each font size and font name and see which text is in what font size. And as you drill down and click on them, it automatically highlights the text that you're looking at on the artwork to show you where in the artwork that text appears. The next tool is a barcode verification tool, where the system automatically recognizes and validates 1D and 2D barcodes. UPC codes, EAN codes, and pharma codes are all recognized. While it identifies the value, it also assigns a scan grade based on all the attributes of the barcode, so that during the scanning of the artwork at the point of sale, you're sure that the artwork is going to scan correctly. Now, once the annotations are made, and assume for a minute that the reviewer has rejected the artwork and it goes back to the designer who uploads a second version of the artwork. Now, there are two versions of the artwork in the workflow, and the approvers can now do a comparison between those two artworks. So to compare two artworks, you click on the compare link on the top right and compare version 1 and version 2. This is a pixel compare. So every type of difference, whether it's a difference in the graphics or the text or the barcode are automatically highlighted. There are two modes. One is a flicker mode, the one that you're seeing right now, and the other is a side-by-side mode where you can see the two artworks. You can zoom into each one and look at it more closely, or you can click on the differences which are numbered from 1 to 13. There are 13 differences in this particular set of artworks, and the artworks also have the actual numberings marked on them. So for the reviewer, besides the annotation tools, there are proofing tools like the color checker, the font checker, the barcode checker, and of course the comparison tool to make sure that you can catch errors and make sure that you can finish the proofing of the artwork in a much quicker manner than doing it manually.